Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 4, acknowledge. American pronunciation, acknowledge. 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 British pronunciation,
Acknowledge. Acknowledge. Acknowledge.
meaning number 1. Acknowledge means to admit or accept that something is true. Meaning number 2, to express gratitude. Common usage in academic writing, acknowledge the need, acknowledge the fact, acknowledge the contributions. Example sentence, acknowledge, verb. The authors acknowledge the need for further research. The variation of acknowledge in academic writing that you need to know is acknowledgement, noun. The researcher finally received the acknowledgement she deserved. Now you can use acknowledge confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!